Today we're going to be continuing our work with area, except this time we're going to be working with word problems. We're also going to be learning how to do word problems that give you an area and ask you to find the height or the width of a shape. We're going to start off with a pretty easy example. This question asks, the area of a rectangle is 48 inches squared. The height is 10 inches. What is the base? The first thing you want to do is identify the type of shape you're working with. In this case, a rectangle. The second step is to make sure that you know your formula. We know that the formula for the area of a rectangle is the area equals base times height. So we're going to go ahead and write that out. Once we've written it out, what we need to do is fill in everything that we know. So we know that our area is 48 inches squared, and we know that our height is 10 inches. So we can go ahead and fill those in using the formula that we just wrote. We see that b is being multiplied by 10, but we're trying to solve for b. We're trying to get b by itself. If b is being multiplied by 10, we have to think back to when we were learning about how to solve for x. It's the same thing. So if b is being multiplied by 10, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we have to divide both sides of the equation by 10. Once we do that, we'll get b equals 4.8 inches. Because it's not an area, I don't write squared. And that's it. This next problem says a garden is 8 feet wide and 12 feet long. You divide it into many sections that are 2 square feet big. How many sections can you fit inside the garden? This question is pretty straightforward. You're given the width and the length of a rectangle. So if you want to, you can draw a picture to visualize it. You know that it's 8 feet wide and it's 12 feet long. Okay, so the first step we're going to have to do is find the area. It's saying that we divide it into sections that are 2 square feet big. So it's saying we need to split it up and find how many sections can hypothetically fit inside of here. We need to find the total area first. So we're going to write our formula, area equals base times height, and we fill in with everything we know. This time we're looking for the area, so we don't fill the area in. Our base is 12, and our height is 8. So we get 96 feet squared. But we're not done yet. Our question says we're dividing it into many sections that are each 2 square feet. If we have a total of 96 square feet and we need to split it into sections of 2, so what we're going to do is we're simply going to divide 96, the total area, by 2, the size of each section, and we'll get 48 sections. It's very important to carefully read the word problem to make sure that you know what it's asking you for. Don't just go around multiplying all the numbers you see, because that might not be the right answer. Good luck.